good morning, it's time to rise and shine.
Good morning. It is Friday. Finally. Finally Friday. Because why? It's just how the world works. You gotta have Mondays and Tuesdays. Unfortunately, you can't skip around. You gotta go in sequence. Everything in order, you know. The world is in order. No, it's not. The world is a vampire. What do you think, Wyatt? Should we go outside? Probably. He's probably like, why are you even asking me that? Alright, out into the darkness we go. Here we go. Alright. Come on, Wyatt. You can't hit that way, so I don't know why you bother. Oh, I felt a sprinkle. It's so dark out here. There's not even a moon. It's probably just cloudy. Come on, Wyatt. Do you forget how to get downstairs? Come on. Yeah. Anyways. No, go potty. Come on. Come on. Go. Come on. Come on, Wyatt. Something spooks him. Yep, something has spooked the Wyatt, and he does not want to be outside. So I guess we won't be going pee this morning. That's fine. You'll have to be waiting. Well, fine. Fine then, sassy pants. Little sassy boy. You're gonna get some food. So you got water. Alright, let's feed the sassy pants boy. Oh crap, I forgot about the tortoise. How could I forget about the Herbinator? How rude. I showed Wyatt the tortoise. Now look at him. You're just looking at the tortoise. What is it? What is he doing? He didn't try to bite his face off this time. So that's good. I might put him on the floor later. We'll see. But right now, I gotta pee. Windy. So the issue wasn't that it was something was out here that spooked Wyatt. The issue was it was too dark. So here we are, 10 minutes later, and JJ's out here too, so I guess that's helping, which is great, you know. So a few days in a row now, no, a couple of days, no, a few days, I guess I'll count today. Anyway, oh, thank you. He's going to go boop. Anyways, I've had Wyatt's food out and on the floor, on the ground, you know, accessible to all the animals. And JJ did not eat the food. So happy for that because She has a finicky stomach, and if she eats food other than her own benefits, whatever food, she'll get, she just wants to go inside now. She'll get sick stomach. She'll get diarrheas. JJ wants to go inside. She's waiting for me. See, if I go over here, she can't see me. See? Always watching that one. Always pooping that one. Ha, ha, ha. Anyway, I'm glad he's pooping. And I'm glad he's scraping up my lawn. Just kidding. I'm glad that he is... Oh, you come up here, watch this. Where'd you go? Hi, Wyatt. Very excited he is. All right, let's go back inside. Oh, woo, woo, oh, woo. I think I'm gonna set up my. Well, tomorrow morning I gotta hit the DMV and get my car registered to me. What is that for? What are you being a sassy pants about? Do it again. Oh, what are you talking about? What you talking about? What you talking about, Willis? What you talking about, Wyatt? What? What? I don't know what you want. I'm sure he wants to go for a walk. We're not going for a walk. Oh, I said the word, and that's what he wanted. No, we're not doing that. Sorry. In fact, I'm going back to bed. I'm not tired. I want breakfast. Actually, not tired right now, which is amazing. I did sleep pretty decent last night. Oh, that's right. I'm out of what do you call it? Eggs. I'm out of eggs. Alright, I'll just grab this vitamin water. And we'll go back upstairs. This one is squeezed lemonade flavored plus other natural flavors. Squeezed. It does taste like lemons. You know, some things that are flavored don't taste like the things they are. Anyways, I'll go back to bed. Okay, bye. It is currently raining outside. Because of that, Wyatt gets afraid and he puts himself in the corner. He's just been sitting there staring at the corner, just staring, sitting and staring. He's a scared puppy. Hello, today I have decided, can't get it. Today I decided I'm going to be a panda. I'm a panda today. This is the outfit that I wore at the anime con, Anime Midwest. Just, you know, it's a panda. I'm a panda, okay? See, I wish, look, see, this is the problem I have. Just gapping places. I don't button. I don't button the top button. What a goofy guy. You're so goofy. It's just break time. Throw it around. Go ahead. So I'm a panda today. 2 reasons. 1, I like pandas. 2, I'm cold. I need my slippers. Are they in here? Yeah, here they are. And my little footy sock slipper things. I'll wear these. Yes, I will. What? You can bring that with. That shoe thingy. Fine, I'll kick it out. You gotta take it with you. Come on. Come on, bring it with you. Come on, Wyatt. Come on. There you go. You got it. That's a good boy. He's destroying that thing. Yes. Yeah. Destroying it. You're a goofy guy. You goofy guy. Okay. And on that note, I gotta figure out something to... Oh, I know. I'll reheat my... I didn't eat my... So I ordered Chinese last night, right? Russ says, is there anything left for me? When he comes home at 11 and 11:30. So I said, no, I didn't order you anything. Was I supposed to just order him something and assume, you know, or whatever? I don't even know. I don't have time for this. I'll have to do something else. I did not eat enough calories yesterday. Oh, these biscuits are still there. Hold on. I don't know exactly how many calories I had yesterday, but I know it wasn't enough because I ate less than what I did the day before, I'm pretty sure. And, well, this turkey sausage has 170 calories, and there's 2 ounces is 1 serving. And I ate half of this yesterday. So that's a lot of calories, isn't it? I don't know how many. This is a pound, you know, so 8 ounces is how many calories? How many? It says 2 ounces, so 2, 4, 6, 8. So I had 4. So 150 times 4. It's a lot of calories, yeah? Sure. Yes, it's a lot of calories. I think. Anyway, I'm going to be eating that. And this guy right here, you looking at me? You want to look at yourself? Funny. Okay, so I called the Tallman House because when I booked the little tour or whatever the heck spooky thingy-majig that it is, I clicked on the 19th. I did. To do it on the 19th. Okay, B. But, I don't know, the website or something changed it to the 17th. And that's a Thursday. And I have to work. And also I work on Friday. And I don't want to have to be, like, tired or whatever. Alright, I really gotta pee. Okay, I went pee. Wyatt is riled up. He wants to play. That is what his deal is. He's just like whiny about it. He wants to get out and he wants to play. So what I'm doing right now for lunch, I'm reheating in the air fryer the sweet and sour chicken. There, that's the words I was trying to find. You gotta see this. It's so funny. Look at. You ever wish someone would look at you the way your dog looks at a biscuit? Oh! Oh! Ow! Why? He's trying to jump up there. Do you want the biscuit? Yeah, sure. I gotta break it. Gotta break the biscuit to give one to the little one because she gets super jealous. Jealousy! Whoa, zoom. I smashed my finger. I smashed my finger in the door. Go, come on. Go potty or something. I am not wearing my own shoes. I am wearing Russ's boots, except I don't have them on all the way. See? Yeah. Last break, it's been hazy and rainy and stuff pretty much all day, which is another reason we need to get this stuff sanded. It's going to need to be sanded and water sealed because you see there's mold and stuff growing on our deck. And yeah, not mold, like moss kind of. I don't know, whatever grows on wood outside, which I guess is moss. Whatever it is, yeah. Small dog. Where'd he go? Oh. Big dog. He's behind the tree. There he is. Small dog, big dog. So I like my panda suit. The only thing I don't like is the buttons. I think I mentioned that just a little bit ago. Anyways, there should be zipper. But it's not zipper, it's button. It's only button. They don't sell zipper for them, and they should. They really should. Maybe I can get my mom to put a zipper on it. That'd be cool. Good evening. It's like 9, no, 10, or shortly after 9. I've got an early day tomorrow. I gotta be up at 7, be out the door by at least 7:30. Well, not really. I gotta be at the DMV before they open at 8:30 because I'm gonna be do a title transfer for my Prius. Hair everywhere. Anyway, title transfer for my Prius. It's an early day because they open at 8:30, and I gotta be there early, otherwise I'm gonna be there all freaking day. And I'll be hanging out with my friend Barbie. We haven't hung out in forever, like months. She's my best friend. I need to hang out with her. Wyatt is still here. He is not a happy camper this night because of the rain. He's been afraid. He was hiding under my work desk earlier. I'm trying to get my pajamas off. Come on, I love being a panda, but I can't be a panda all night. It's hot. It's hot. It would be warm. If it was freezing in here, I'd say I'd keep it on. But anyway. Okay, panda suit. Time to put you away. Okay. That's good. Anyways, it's nighttime. It's bedtime for me because I need to be an adult tomorrow morning. So thank goodness I am transferring the title this weekend and not next weekend because on October 1st it jumps. Like the cost title transfer goes from $69.50 to $165. That's a huge jump. I don't know why they do that, but holy crap, it's a lot. And I can't print off the form because I'm out of ink on my printer. So I could save some time and just do it all, you know, there, but alas, I cannot because of, you know, like I said, lack of ink for my printer. Hi, kitty, meow, meow. 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 It's my kitty. Stop trying to eat the plastic. What are you doing? Anywho's, it's time for me to go to sleep, like I said. Why is this wet? Well, I don't know either. I'm gonna fix it. Okay, have a good night. Toodles!